Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you had a productive session. I'm Sarah with Eric for the Thursday SPX End of Day Recap. Quick disclaimer up top before we get into it. Everything we're about to walk through is a structural read of SPX GEX data. Education only, not financial advice.
Confirmed. We're not advisors, no recommendations, your own risk. Let's get into the recap.
All right, Eric. The morning read was Long Gamma Pin. How the Walls Hold, due May 7. Did the structure cooperate?
Spot opened at 7,375.17 and closed at 7,337.11, a minus 38.06 point session.
How did GEX evolve through the session?
Net GEX opened at plus 336.0 million, ranged from negative 472.1 to plus 415.7, and closed at plus 99.5. That's a meaningful structural shift mid-session.
Did the regime hold?
No, flipped from negative to positive at 4 p.m. ET, with spot at 7337.09. That's the inflection of the day.
Did spot cross the flip?
Stayed on one side all session. No regime change at the level.
Where did spot actually run today? What were the high and low?
High of 7,384.81 hit at 10:59 a.m. ET. Low of 7,321.26 at 2:45 p.m. ET. A 63.6 point range.
When did the dealer's gamma peak and when did it come off?
Net GEX peaked at plus 416 million around 10:56 a.m. ET. Troughed at minus 472 around 4 p.m. ET. A 888 million swing. That's dealers actively repositioning, not a quiet pin.
Did the walls migrate during the session or stay put?
Call wall walked from 73.75 to 73.50, 116 moves. Put wall walked from 73.45 to 7300, 175 moves. That's the dealer chasing the tape, not anchoring it.
How did the flow read? Morning? Midday? Afternoon?
Mixed flow, plus, minus plus. Morning third, plus 7.97. Midday, minus 26.31. Afternoon, plus 0.63 on cumulative flow.
How did the walls hold up?
The call wall at 73.75 got tested, but held. The put wall at 73.45 broke through.
Verdict on today's structural read?
Mixed. The framework's regime change marked the inflection, but you had to be reading it in real time.
Tomorrow morning, what should viewers watch for?
Pre-market brief drops at 9:15 a.m. Eastern. Same structural read, fresh data. Trade your own risk.
Subscribe if SPX structural reads help your trading. All right, everyone, get some rest. Goodbye. Back tomorrow at the bell.
And one last thing. The retail trader sees the chart, the dealer sees the book. The framework lets you see what the dealer sees. Today's structural pattern is exactly the territory.
That's it for this one. Trade your own risk. See you on the next one.